Today, I'm going to answer a ton of random, frequently asked questions, and I'm going to give you some quick tips about selling a house in Maryland. And I'm going to do it in less than 3 minutes. Here we go. Have you ever walked into a Baltimore house and seen a bathtub in the kitchen? Well, I have, and it's not pretty. Maryland houses can surprise you, but I buy them all, no judgment. You got a house horror story? I want you to drop it in the comments below. Here's why I skip realtors when I'm buying homes in Maryland. No commissions, no delays, and zero hassle. Homeowners love it, and deals close quicker. Would you ditch the realtor for a fast, clean sale of your house? You selling your house today? I want you to watch these hidden costs. Repairs, staging, and closing fees can add up fast. If you want to skip the fees, then you need to call We Buy MD Homes today. Can you really sell your Maryland house in just 14 days? Absolutely. Here's the catch. No repairs, no agents, just a simple cash offer. You want details? Just reach out to me today. Hey, Bill from Bel Air wanted to retire, but his house needed major work. I made a fast, fair cash offer with zero repairs needed, and now Bill's living stress-free. You want to retire happily with money in your pocket? Just reach out to me today. Here's a simple house hack. Fresh paint boosts value instantly. Neutral colors equal faster sales. You want more home selling tips? Just keep watching. Here's an insider secret. Investors often lowball first to negotiate up later. I keep it transparent from day one. You want honesty in a home sale? Just go to WeBuyMDHomes.com and fill out my easy form. The biggest mistake Maryland homeowners are making right now, they're waiting too long to sell. The market changes fast and values fluctuate. Whether you're in Baltimore, Bel Air, Frederick, or the Eastern Shore, I guarantee if you're thinking about selling, you're probably overthinking it. Just call me today and let me do the thinking for you. Here's a home selling myth. Your Maryland house must be absolutely perfect to sell it. The reality is that I buy houses as is, with no repairs needed. I'm your myth buster if you want to sell your Maryland house today. Here are the top 3 reasons Maryland home inspections fail. Number 1, outdated wiring. Number 2, foundation cracks. Number 3, roof leaks. You worried about selling a not so perfect house? Well, I buy without inspections. Hey, did renters trash your Baltimore property? Just skip the repairs because I buy rentals exactly as is. Cash offer guaranteed, no headaches, no more problem tenants. Inherited a house in Maryland? Step 1, secure and inspect it. Step 2, call me for a quick sale, and I'll put cash in your hands very fast. Are you wondering what your Maryland home's actually worth? I can tell you that Zillow isn't always accurate. Real value depends on location, condition, and urgency. Don't trust the internet. Here's 3 signs it's time to sell your Maryland home. Bills piling up, empty rooms, too many repairs. You feeling ready? Let's talk. I'm almost finished, but I'll leave you with this. Here's some weird things I've found buying Maryland homes over the years. Vintage dolls, hidden safes, secret rooms, dog kennels, you name it. You got a weird find of your own? Just drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and please follow me for more Maryland selling tips.